Hello, dear students. Myself, Professor Gayatri R. Banne. So, today we are to discuss about what is the solution, what is the solvents, and what is the solids. That is, study one by one. Okay. The first one, what is the meaning of solution? Okay. So, it is a homogeneous mixture, same mixture of two or more substances which do not react with each other, and it is in the form of single phase. Homogeneous mixture means two or more substances are there, no? When it is mixed, they do not react with each other and they exist in the form of single phase. That is called as what here? Solution. So, solution means what? It is two or more substances are there which is do not react with each other and they exist in the form of single phase. That is called as the solution. And this solution contains only two materials are there. That is called as the binary solution. Binary, bi in the sense what? Two solution, two materials. So this solution contains only two materials are there. That is called as what here? Binary solution. Next, the component that is present, it is in the largest proportion of solution. Means when you take a particular components, particular materials, in that one what will be happen, there is a large amount of the solutions is present, no? That is called as what here? Solvent. That is called as what here? Solvent. And these solvents has the same state of aggregations of that the solution. So these solvent is nothing but what here? This is present in the largest amount of the solution, that is called as the solvent, and these components are present in the small proportion in the solution, that is called as the solids. It is opposite to what here? Solvent. Okay, here given the example of that one, solid plus solvent, it gives to solution. Solute, what is the solute? Sugar. Sugar is what here? Solute, means it is the largest proportions where it is present in the solution. Solvent is what? Water. When these both are mixing, it gives to what here? Sugar solution. That means this is solute, solvent, and this is solution. This is what? Entire process. Next, what is mixture of solid? Mixture is a substance which is combining two or more different materials such a way that there is no any chemical reactions are occur. Why? Because there is a combining of two more different, means same materials is does not be react with each other. It is exist in the single phase. When the mixture is a substance, by combining is there, no? One more two different materials are does not be reactions takes place. So it is also called as mixture of solute and mixture of solvent mixtures. Next one, that is saturated and unsaturated solution. Saturated means what? A solution that can hold no more solute at a particular temperature. Means when a solution can be taken, in that solution there does not be more solutes are there. For example, sugar. The sugar does not be present at given particular temperature. That is called as what here? Saturated solution. You know about what is the meaning of saturated solution, what is the unsaturated solution. So unsaturated means the unsaturated solution is a solution which contains less amount of solute at required, that is saturated. Means less amount. Here more amount of the solutes is, no more amount of the solutes is required at a given temperatures, and there is a less amount of the solution is required at having a particular temperature. That is called as what here? Unsaturated solution. Next, what is the concentration of solution? Concentration of solution in the sense what here? Concentration of solution in the sense the amount of solute is dissolved per unit amount of solvent of a solution. You have to take particular solute, that is the sugar. When it is dissolved in the amount of solvent, that is the water. So it gives to what here? Concentration of solution. When it is mixing with each other, it gives to what here? Concentration of solution. And it is a quantity of solute is present in a quantity of a solution. Means exact quantity of solute is present in the exact quantity of solvent. Means it is react with each other. That is solute plus solvent, it gives to what here? Solution. Means exact amount of the solute plus exact amount of the solvent. And it is explained in the different way. That is what? Molality, molarity. There is a different ways are there. First one you have to study about what here? Normality. Normality means what? It is a number of grams which is equivalent solute present in 1 liter of a solution. You have to take a first number of grams. You have to take a number of gram of a solute, means sugar. We have taken, and it is present in where? 1 liter of a solution, that is a water, and that is called as normality. Normality means a number of gram of equivalent solute is present in the 1 liter of a given solution, means sugar is present in the 1 liter of a water, that is called as what here? Normality. And this normality is denoted by what here? N. N means number of gram equivalent of a solute and volume of a solution in liter. Next, when 1 gram of equivalent of solute is present in the 1 liter of a solution, means exact amount you have to take. What is that? 1 gram of equivalent solute is present in the 1 liter of a solution, that is called as what here? Normal solution, means exact normal solution, that is called as the normal solution. So normality main formula, what is that? W into 10 divided by E into V. Okay. W in the sense mass of a solutes, E in the sense equivalent mass of a solutes, and V is the volume of that particular solution. So a given formula, according to their formula, you have to calculate normality. Okay. First one, what here? Calculate the normality of a solution when 10 gram of NaOH is dissolved in the 1 liter. 10 gram is what here? Solid. 1 gram is what here? Solution. So you have to take this value and sort out this problem. The molecular mass of NaOH is 23. What is this molecular mass you will take? That is Na. Na and OH, these are the two compounds are there. Na, which is having a molecular mass, is 23. Okay, and oxygen, which is molecular mass, is 16, and H means hydrogen is having a molecular mass is 1. So this totally coming in the 40. So the equivalent mass of NaOH is what here? 40 divided by 180 is equal to 40. Okay, so normality formula, you know what is the, you know about that answers. You have to calculate these answers. Next, second problem is given. Calculate the normality of a solution when 5.2 gram of H2SO4 sulfuric acids is dissolved in 1 liter of a solution. The molecular mass of H2SO4, H, the molecular mass of H is, that is what? Molecular mass of H, which is given 2 plus 32 and 16 into 4. Molecular mass of that H is what here? 1. Here given molecular mass of hydrogen is 1, but here given 2. Mean 2 into 1 is 2. Plus these sulfuric acids, that is S, sulfur, they are having a 32 molecular mass, plus O4. O means having a 16. And 4 is 16 into 4. This is answer is 98. And the equivalent mass of H2SO4 is given formula. So answer is what? You have to take a normality. Normality is 52 plus 1000 divided by this one. Answer is 0.106 normality. Next, molarity. Normality means what here? 1 gram of solute is dissolved in the 1 liter of a solution. That is a normality, and it is denoted by N. Next, you have to study about molarity. Molarity means what? It is a number of gram moles of a solute. The number of gram moles of a solute is dissolved in the 1 liter of a solution. That is a molarity, and this is denoted by M. Denoted by M.